Alright, Crypto Miner CHR here, and today we have the new shop, Asic Master. So I want to go ahead and show you guys. So right here we have the break room, so this is the rec room for the technicians. Also have a security system with a bunch of security cameras. And over here we have a conference room, also got a bunch of back offices back here. Show you a little peek. Back here is a top secret area. We're not going to show you yet, but we have a huge facility that we're getting ready to do a huge amount of hosting. Clock in. Definitely want to talk about safety first. So all our guys wear safety goggles as well as face masks and anti-static gloves. Each workstation also has its own fire extinguisher, just in case. We work on all types of crypto-related miners, not just Bitmain. We also do like What's Miner, Silicon, Gold Shell, Strong U. I can keep going, but anything crypto-related, we work on it. This is where we. This is one of our workstations. So we have what's called a cold seat and a hot seat. In the cold seat, we go ahead and we do all the diagnostic, and over here we replace all the components. So it's kind of a team that work together. And we're set up here to have a total of 10 technicians work at the same time. And right here we have our recording station. So this is where we do all the training and doing all the videos and everything. And yeah, we're getting ready. We're doing some remodeling back here. Behind this door, so it's as I said, we're remodeling, but there's 4 rooms back here that we're going to get ready, and we're going to replicate the same thing we have here, so our technicians can work at the same time as us, go ahead and do the training. And back here is where we do all the repairs, and we hold all the miners. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of different kinds, just about every make and model here. Have a really good ventilation system, filtration system, humidity's low, temperature's fantastic. It wraps around here. We got 3 sides on this. And this is one of my favorites here. Got a little mini Doge. To the moon! Alright. Yeah, so we'll come back around. This is the venting room, so all the hot air gets vented out through this room.
Get out my hair. Get out my hair. Get out my hair. Get out my hair.
Alright, so here we have the three owners of Asic Masters, so we thought we'd introduce ourselves. So let you go first.
Hey everyone, my name's Adam.
I'm David.
You guys already know me, I'm Austin, crypto miner.
And we're Asic Master.
Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell, and be sure to give a thumbs up. Since we're starting a new business, Asic Master, be sure to head over to our new channel and give us your support.